So let's talk a little bit about your marketing strategy, and this will definitely dovetail right into that plan that we just talked about in the prior video. So what is your strategy? So you're going to need to think about a few different things. So first of all, what is your ultimate goal? Are you just trying to get early adopters? Are you trying to get reviews? You're trying to get press releases? You're trying to get traffic to your website? So have some specific goals. And when I say specific, the entire marketing plan needs to be very specific, both in we talked about demographics and whatnot, but as far as your strategy, who is the target, what are you trying to achieve, and how are you going to reach them? And that's what's really important. So again, we just touched on a few things, like having a website with an email opt-in list, putting promotional videos on YouTube, marketing on Twitter, on Facebook. There's lots of different avenues you can pursue. I mean, there's also the traditional methods, TV ads, print ads, radio ads. Definitely not as common these days. But there's lots of marketing avenues that you can take, and you need to figure out what specifically is going to work best for your company. Now, if you can't do that, what you should be doing is hiring somebody who can. You need somebody who is an expert, and you don't just want a marketing expert. Somebody could come from a Fortune 500 company and not know what to do with your company whatsoever. They're going to feel limited by the budget. They're not going to have, it's going to be a completely different strategy. So you want someone who is familiar with sort of the startup phase of companies, those early stage, how to reach the market that you're after. If you're after a younger demographic, you want someone who knows how to target those people. Older demographics, same thing, someone who knows how to target that demographic. So you really need to pick your marketing staff correctly, and then as well, give them a budget to work with and have them out there working on the market. So that's all part of your marketing strategy. So that's going to go into your marketing plan. How are you going to reach the market, whoever the market is? Why is that the market? And what results do you expect to see? Again, I want to be very specific, and I want to be detailed. And again, it's both for your purposes and as well for your investors. Your investors are going to want to see this and that you put this much focus and thought into a marketing plan. So that's essentially your strategy. Your strategy is how you turn just whatever marketing efforts you make into dollars at the end of the day. And there's several steps along the way. So put that in place, start working on your marketing strategy, which will also go into essentially your 5-page marketing plan, and you'll be well on your way to getting your product out there in front of people's faces.